Hi children, in this session we are going to learn about how to edit a paragraph. This is one of the very important questions that will be asked in the board examination and it carries 2 marks. First let's understand what is editing in English grammar and how to edit the given paragraph. Children, to answer this question, basic knowledge of English grammar is very essential, else it will be a bit difficult to identify the errors. What is editing in English grammar? Editing is an important part of the writing process. It involves going through each sentence carefully, checking for grammatical, punctuation, and spelling errors, and correcting it. In this type of question, a short paragraph is given, and students have to identify the errors in a sentence and then edit the paragraph with the correct word or a part of the sentence and rewrite the paragraph in the answer book. A question of error identification and editing covers the following grammar concepts: verbal and adverbial mistakes, preposition, tense form, spelling mistakes, article and determiners mistakes, noun, pronoun, usage of capital letters, punctuation marks, singular and plural numbers, parts of speech, etc. Now let's look at the questions. All the questions discussed in this session has been taken from previous question papers and model question papers from the board. You will find this question in the third main, that is question number 17 of your question paper. The following paragraph has 2 errors. Edit the paragraph and rewrite it in the answer book. Clues are given. So this question has been taken from March-April 2019 question paper. A poor woodcutter was cutting a big piece of wood near a wide river. Sudden, his old axe slipped from his hand and fell into the deep water. Clues: spelling mistake to be corrected, adverbial mistake to be corrected. So, in the first sentence, you can see cutting a big piece, P-E-A-C-E, is the error out there. So, it should be P-I-E-C-E, piece. So, here we corrected the spelling mistake. Adverbial mistake you will find in the second sentence, that is sudden. You need to replace sudden with suddenly. Suddenly his old axe slipped from his hand and fell into the deep water. So, after correcting this mistake, you have to rewrite the paragraph in the answer. That is, a poor woodcutter was cutting a big piece of wood near a wide river. Suddenly, his old axe slipped from his hand and fell into the deep water. Next question. This question has been taken from the question paper of June 2019. We all want to lead a happy life. What, according to you, can make us happy? We shall discuss some practical ways. Clues: spelling mistake to be corrected, use correct punctuation mark. So, here in the first sentence, you can see LEED, lead. So, this is a spelling mistake. You have to replace LEED, lead, with LEAD, lead. Okay. So, in the second sentence, what according to you can make us happy? So, after happy, full stop is there. Okay, so you have to replace this full stop with the question mark. So, here we have corrected punctuation mark also. After doing all these corrections, you need to rewrite the paragraph again. Like, we all want to lead a happy life. What, according to you, can make us happy? We shall discuss some practical ways. Next question. This question has been taken from the question paper of June 2018. He clambered to the peak of a snow covered mountain and he heard the voice of a bird of happiness. My lovely child, have you come here for me? Clues: spelling mistakes to be corrected, use correct punctuation mark. So, he clambered. Clambered means to climb with difficulty. Okay, so you can see the spelling of covered, COWERED. So, this is a mistake here. You need to replace this with COVERED, covered. And here in the last line, you can see, my lovely child, have you come here for me? Beside me, after me, there is a full stop here. So it should be replaced with question mark. So after replacing, you have to write the entire paragraph in the answer book. Next question. This question has been taken from the model question paper. Mahatma Gandhi ji was born in Porbandar in Gujarat. He was born on 2nd October at 1869. So here Mahatma Gandhi ji was born in Porbandar. So Porbandar is a noun. Noun should always begin with capital letter. So this is the error there. You need to replace small p with capital P. So in the second sentence, he was born on 2nd October at 1869. So the preposition at to be replaced with in there. So after replacing everything, you have to rewrite the paragraph. Mahatma Gandhi ji was born in Porbandar in Gujarat. He was born on 2nd October in 1869. Next question. This question has been taken from the model question paper. The children watched the movie Silent. It was really an interesting movie on aerospace technology. Clues: adverbial mistake to be corrected, article mistake to be corrected. Look at the first sentence. The children watched the movie Silent. Here, silent is the error. You have to replace silent with silently. So, in the second sentence, it was really a interesting movie on aerospace. So, here you should use the article an because I is a vowel here. So after replacing it, you have to rewrite the paragraph. The children watched the movie silently. It was really an interesting movie on aerospace technology. Next question. This question has been taken from the model question paper. Where are you going, Harish? I'm going for school. Clues: proper punctuation to be used, preposition to be corrected. Look at the first sentence. Where are you going, Harish? So instead of full stop, you need to put a question mark here. I'm going for school, right? The preposition for to be replaced with to. Where are you going, Harish? I'm going to school. Rewrite the paragraph after editing. The next question. This question has been taken from the model question paper. Last Wednesday, we had been to Bangalore. We visit Lal Bagh, one of the most beautiful gardens of the city. So clues: capital letter to be used, verbal mistake to be corrected. So look at the first sentence. Last Wednesday. So Wednesday is a noun and it has to begin with capital W, right? So you have to replace small letter W to capital letter W there. So in the second sentence, we visit Lal Bagh, one of the most beautiful gardens of the city. So visit to be replaced with visited. So after replacing, you have to rewrite the paragraph. Last Wednesday, we had been to Bangalore. We visited Lal Bagh, one of the most beautiful gardens of the city. Next question. This question has been taken from the model question paper. Swami writes silently and tiptoed to his bed in the passage. Granny was sitting up in her bed and remarked, Boy, are you already feeling sleepy? Don't you want to hear a story? So, clues: tense form to be corrected, spelling mistake to be corrected. So, here in the first sentence, Swami rise. So, rise to be replaced with rose. That is, rise is present tense and you have to replace it with the past tense, that is rose. And when you come here to the last sentence, don't you want to hear a story? So, the spelling of HERE here, okay, that to be replaced with HEAR here. Okay, after replacing it, rewrite the passage. Swami rose silently and tiptoed to his bed in the passage. Granny was sitting up in her bed and remarked, Boy, are you already feeling sleepy? Don't you want to hear a story? Next question. This question has been taken from model question paper. Although Dravidian in origin, Kannada has been highly influenced by Sanskrit. According to some scholars, its early literature dates back with 5th century AD. Clues: adverbial mistake to be corrected, preposition to be corrected. So, look at the first sentence. Although Dravidian in origin, Kannada has been high influence. So, here high has to be replaced with highly. So, has to be replaced with highly as it is a adverbial mistake. Okay. So when it comes to the next sentence, according to some scholars, its early literature dates back with. Here, instead of preposition with, you need to replace with to 5th century AD. So after editing, you have to rewrite the paragraph. Although Dravidian in origin, Kannada has been highly influenced by Sanskrit. According to some scholars, its early literature dates back to 5th century AD. Next question. So this question has been taken from State Level Preparatory Examination 2023. Mr. Vishwanath is an engineer. He comes to the office in time and works sincerely. He loves all and lives happy. So here the clues: verbal mistake to be corrected, adverbial mistake to be corrected. So in the first sentence there are no errors. In the second sentence, he comes to office in time and works sincerely. Instead of work, you have to write works. And coming to the last sentence, he loves all and lives happy. So, here in this sentence, instead of happy, you have to write happily. After doing all the editing, you have to rewrite the paragraph. Mr. Vishwanath is an engineer. He comes to office in time and works sincerely. He loves all and lives happily. So, children, hope you're clear with the concept. Once again, I remind you, read the question carefully before answering, identify the error, and after editing, rewrite the paragraph in your answer books.